Today, we're doing an install on our new iPhone 14 Pro Max, the Ultra Matte Film. You'll start out making sure your device is clean. You'll spray just a little bit of gel on your fingertips. Doing this will ensure you don't have any fingerprints left on the film. This is our film already pre-cut. You'll have a notch at the top. You'll peel out. And now we can peel off our film. You'll take your film in your hand, sticky side up, and spray the film. Just want to make sure it's evenly coated. Now you can line the film up. At this point, you'll spray just a little bit of gel on the top layer of the film. Since it is a wet install, you need the squeegee to glide. Our Pro Install squeegee, you'll hold it like this, 4 fingers underneath and your thumb on top, slanted down towards the phone. You'll start at the back corner, slide away from you, flip the device around, and you can start slightly before the crease and run the length of the device. You can do it multiple times if necessary. Now, just dry the device off. And you have a perfect install.